So, Rob Buffington back at you from Pines Sotheby's International Realty. Today we're going to talk about the repairs that are needed when you get ready to sell your home in today's market. A lot of times in the past, we talk to sellers and we counsel them on the things that are necessary to prepare the home, whether that's staging, whether that's superficial repairs, whether that's decluttering, deep cleaning, whatever that looks like. From a repair standpoint, there's a couple different strategies that you can use, and that would be you could get it pre-inspected so you know what a buyer would be looking for with an inspector. And the only downside to that is the inspector, whatever they unearth, we now either have to repair or we have to disclose that to incoming buyers. If you're aware of any repairs that are looming, a 20-year-old furnace or a 20-year-old water heater, you may want to address those items before you place your home on the market. Maybe it's a 15-year-old roof, getting a roofing company out to take a look at that and just determine, does it have 5 more years of life on it or 1 more year? Regardless of what you decide to do when you get ready to put your house on the market, reach out to a professional, have them help you and walk you through the process. We have contacts with all different kinds of vendors, with stagers, and we can help you through the process from start to finish. Reach out to White Pine Sotheby's International Realty.